Hello everyone. The question is, what is the sum of 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus minus 48 plus 49? To solve this question, first we have to do the grouping of this series. Okay, so after doing the grouping, what we can write? We can write 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus plus 47 minus 48 plus 49. And next 1 minus 2, what we get? 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Okay, plus 3 minus 4, what? Minus 1 plus here 47 minus 48 is become minus 1 plus 49. Okay, so this minus 1 and minus 1, how many times it's 24 times. Okay, because here two terms makes a pair. Okay, so 24 times, so minus 1 into 24 plus 49. Okay, so minus 24 plus 49, it's become 25. 25 is the required answer of the sum. Okay, so option C is the correct answer for this question. Okay, thank you.